Hi everyone, and welcome to a complete and brand new course about blockchain. In this course, we will cover all the concepts, theories, and codes that you need in order to learn blockchain from scratch, and then we will continue with every small details that you need in order to write the smart contracts and deploy them on any network that you desire. The smart contracts that we will cover are mainly Solidity, and in some cases they are written with Rust. The networks that we will interact with are some of the most famous ones, such as Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Polkadot, Terra, and Cosmos. So you can write the dApp of your choice with either Solidity or Rust on the network of your choice. At the end of this course, you will learn how to interact with different networks, create your own custom token, create your own customized blockchain, create NFTs using Solidity and Web3 libraries, write your own smart contracts, create decentralized applications or dApps on any network, and create a login page in order to connect with the Ethereum wallet or any other kinds of wallets. And you will also become familiar with libraries such as web3.js, web3.py, ethers.js, and frameworks like Truffle, Hardhat, Brownie, and tools provided by Morales. You will also learn how to work with the MetaMask wallet and wallets like that, and also work with testnets of different networks. So if you're interested in this series of tutorials, make sure you follow along with every one of the videos because they contain some of the deepest concepts and codes about blockchain technology. After finishing the course, you will become a highly skilled blockchain developer and will be able to develop some of the most exciting DApps of the future. Not to mention that you can get hired by some of the greatest blockchain companies with high salaries like $200K per year.